Epcot has become an almost year-round festival park, with each festival having its own theme and offerings. Here's what you need to know about each one before you go. As Disney often does, they saw the success of the festivals and decided to expand it, so now there are only a few weeks during the year where a festival isn't taking place. Guests can enjoy the festivals with their Epcot theme park ticket. No separate ticket is required. There are special things you can buy or book during the festivals, but those are completely optional. At each of the festivals, you can expect to see outdoor kitchens or kiosks throughout the park, as well as special activities and entertainment related to the theme of the festival. That includes changing out the lighting show on Spaceship Earth with each festival, so be sure to get a peek at that if you find yourself at the front of the park after it gets dark. Let's get into the specifics of each one. The year kicks off in mid-January with one of the newest and shortest of the festivals, Festival of the Arts. It usually runs from mid-January to late February. As the name implies, this festival celebrates the arts, culinary, visual, and performing arts. You'll see the culinary arts in the creative ways the drinks and food are served at the outdoor kitchens. Visual arts are represented in many ways, including the large mural that everyone can contribute to, the painting, photo ops, as well as the art you can buy. Many of the artists appear during the festival, so you can meet them as well. Performing arts are demonstrated with various entertainment, including the Disney on Broadway concert series, where performers from Disney Broadway shows perform a few times each night on the American Gardens theater stage during the festival. Although it's one of our favorites, it's also one of the fewest that people get to enjoy due to its length and taking place during a time of year where fewer people are traveling. For those that will be there, we do think it's worth planning some time to enjoy. Up next is Flower and Garden Festival, which might be our favorite of all of the Epcot festivals because Epcot is never prettier than during this time. This festival used to only run for a couple of months, but now usually takes place from early March through early July, giving you 4 full months to visit and enjoy. The flower and garden theme means that there are special flower beds and topiaries displayed throughout the park, as well as a butterfly house and a variety of trails and gardens that you can visit. The food at the outdoor kitchens tends to be our favorite of the festivals, which makes us love it even more, especially because we eat and drink everything at the festival. Entertainment-wise, this festival has usually had musical acts from the past come to perform and has included acts like Air Supply, Rick Springfield, and Richard Marx. Overall, a fantastic, beautiful festival that's especially nice to visit in the earlier months that it's offered before it gets too hot. And now for the most popular of all the festivals, Food and Wine Festival. This one now runs from mid-July through mid-November, so you get several months to enjoy it. With the theming being food and wine, you'll find lots and lots and lots of outdoor kitchens with many food and drink options available. You'll also find the Eat to the Beat concert series featuring musical acts performed nightly. There are a couple of scavenger hunts, including Remy's Ratatouille Hide and Squeak Scavenger Hunt, and the Wine and Dine Half Marathon Weekend takes place toward the end of the festival. Overall, this is a popular festival, especially with locals who fill the parks on the weekends, so you might want to avoid visiting then if you want to avoid peak crowds. Rounding out the year is the shortest festival of all, Festival of the Holidays. This starts right after Thanksgiving and ends right after Christmas. Basically, Disney has taken all of their Epcot holiday offerings and thrown it under this festival name. It includes familiar festival offerings like the holiday outdoor kitchens, but also some unique options like ride overlays that you can find at Living with the Land and Cosmic Rewind. Entertainment-wise, you'll find lots during the Festival of the Holidays, including the very popular Candlelight Processional, which is offered multiple times per night with various celebrity narrators scheduled throughout the festival. Although this is included with your Epcot theme park ticket at no extra charge, it is very popular, so you'll either want to line up very early or book a dining package to guarantee a spot. You'll also find lots of entertainment throughout the World Showcase, with the World Showcase storytellers that demonstrate holiday traditions in the various countries. Joyful, a celebration of the season, is a gospel R&B group that performs during the festival as well. Overall, this is a short festival packed with lots to do and worth taking the time to enjoy if you're traveling to Disney World in the month that it is available. And that wraps up the Epcot Festivals. There's likely to be one during your trip, so no matter when you go, make sure you know what's available since it's included with your theme park ticket. Will you be taking the time to enjoy them, or do you have a favorite? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.